was just taking a little break over here in the wood yard. A lot of problems can be solved in the wood yard. A lot of frustrations can be taken out on the wood when you're splitting it. I mean, you don't have no company when you're on the wood yard. Everybody drives by and blows the horn, waves. So, unless you got a dog, you by yourself in the wood yard, or you got a wife like mine. But, yeah, I got to thinking. Oh, you guys and you got girls, y'all hang around to the end of the video. I got something for you. So, some of them are bigger than others. Some of them get hotter than others. Sometimes it's hard to tell the difference between them. But they all got one thing in common. Just one thing. Let me show you. Yeah, right there. Talk. Whoops. Talk. No talk. Noise. No noise. Talk. No talk. So that's why. Now, if I can just figure out how to turn off that big, enormous, whatever part of the brain that thinks up things for you to do that you're not interested in doing, man, if I could figure that out, I'd be happy. I'm really happy now, I can't lie. But then now, this is for you girls out there. Bless your little hearts. I'll put up with a lot.